Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery on your Honda Odyssey key fob. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2025 coin cell battery. These batteries are widely available and inexpensive. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple task takes only about 5 minutes to complete, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot along the edge of the fob, usually near the key ring loop. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be patient and apply steady pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should separate with a soft click. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry out the old CR 2025 battery. Now, take your new battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place all around the edges. Give it a firm squeeze to ensure it's sealed. Now, test your key fob with your Honda Odyssey to confirm it's working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.